Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smarturl.it/Jedi. My advice on how to pass actuarial exams is at smarturl.it/pass. You can find my video channels on YouTube, DTube and dlive.io. at smarturl.it/pass actuarial exams, that's YouTube, smarturl.it/The Saint Country Club, that's DTube, and smarturl.it/go pass me some exams, that's dlive.io. You can find information about online seminars that I teach for exams PFM, LTAM, and IFM at smarturl.it/btdt-online. And you can find also here other websites where with information about the study manuals and where you can buy them at smarturl.it/btdt-p, and then the same for FM, LTAM, and IFM. I direct the actuarial program at Illinois State University. You can find information about it at smarturl.it/actuary. If you would like to make a tax-deductible donation to support our students, please go to smarturl.it/help ISU actuary. Here's a problem for exam FM on financial mathematics. You are given two n-year par value 1000 bonds. Bond X has 14% semi-annual coupons and a price of 1407.70 to yield I compounded semi-annually. Bond Y has 12% semi-annual coupons and a price of 1271.80 to yield the same rate I compounded semi-annually. The yield I changes to 7% nominal compounded semi-annually. Calculate the new price of bond X. And here's the solution. So we are given that the price of X is 1407.70 equals 1000 plus 1000 times 0.07 minus J, where J is the effective semi-annual yield, so it's J is I over 2, and times A angle 2n at J, where n is the number of periods till maturity of the bond. And this is the premium discount formula for the price of a bond. And it effectively says that in this case, premium 1407.70 minus 1000 is equal to 1000 times the coupon per half a year minus J, the semi-annual yield, times A angle 2nJ at the rate J, and then the same for Y. 1271.80 equals 1000 plus 1000 times 0.06 minus J times A angle 2n at J. So then, of course, we can subtract 1000 from both sides and divide both sides by 1000. And what happens is we get 0.4077 equals 0.07 minus J times A angle 2nJ. And based on price of Y, 0.2718 is equal to 0.06 minus J times A angle 2nJ. We take the ratio of the two, and of course A angle 2n cancels, so this becomes 0.07 minus J over 0.06 minus J is equal to 0.4077 over 0.2718, and that gives us J equal to 0.04 and I equal to 2J is 0.08. And then, since we now know the rate J to be 4%, we can write that 0.0477 is equal to 0.03 A angle 2n at 0.04. And so that A angle 2n at 0.04 is 13.59. And using BA2 Plus Pro calculator with present value of 13.59, future value of 0, I equal to 4, 4% interest and payment of 1, we obtain 2n is equal to 20. So that finally the price of bond X at the new yield of 7% compounded semi-annually is 1000 plus 1000 times 0.07 minus 0.035. That's effective rate per half a year. When it's 7% compounded semi-annually, so it's 3.5%, times A angle 20 at 0.035, and then we calculate that to be about 1497.43, which is answer A. Please remember this is copyrighted material. The problem itself comes from Society of Actuaries. It belongs to the Society of Actuaries, and it's reproduced with permission. The solution is mine. Good luck in your studies and good luck on the test.